What is up? It's a good day to get your hands dirty and your knuckles bloody. I'm gonna bypass the clutch safety switch in the 94 Ranger. Easy money. Let's get it.
So I've been having some problems starting the truck up when I engage the clutch, and I believe this is why. Previous owners or whoever botched this up. As you can see, it's just held on by a wire nut. Not very good, obviously. That just came off. So there's this pink wire. This one, they spliced. That one, not very good either. This one is a red and blue. So the pink wire, strip this back a little bit. The red and blue wire, you're going to attach directly onto the pink one. Like that, probably throw a solder on it, make a good connection. And then we're just going to cap this one off. Use the existing previous crap already. So that's attached on there. Make sure the truck's in neutral. You don't want to be jabbing holes in your garage door or making dents in the vehicle in front of you.
And that's it. It's easy money. A little dirt, not too much. So, I see you when I see you.